Do you know the difference between in my mind and on my mind? Let's learn. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn the difference between two very common English phrases, in my mind and on my mind. Many English learners get confused between the two, but after today's lesson, it will be very clear for you. In my mind. When we say in my mind, we are talking about something that is inside our thoughts, our imagination, or our memory. It is about the pictures or ideas that exist in our brain. Examples: I have an image of the house in my mind. The answer is very clear: in my mind. In my mind, he is the best teacher I ever had. So remember, in my mind means inside my thoughts or imagination. On my mind. Now let's look at on my mind. When we say something is on my mind, it means that thing is worrying us, troubling us, or we are thinking about it a lot. It feels like a weight sitting on our thoughts. Examples: I can't sleep. I have so many problems on my mind. You have been on my mind all day. That exam is always on my mind. So remember, on my mind means something is bothering me or I keep thinking about it again and again. Let's do a quick recap. In my mind is inside my thoughts, imagination, or memory. On my mind is something worrying me or something I keep thinking about. So now you know the difference between in my mind and on my mind. But can you use them correctly? To test yourself, check out my next video. It's a short quiz where you can practice and see if you really understood today's lesson. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.